Train services in the Lumding-Badarpur Hill Section has been restored today morning at 9:48 hours. The first train, Humsafar Express, passed through Dibalong and now regular train movement has started in the section. As we know, an unfortunate incident of derailment took place at Dibalong station yesterday evening at 4 p.m. when 12520 Agartala LTT Express that was going from Agartala to Lokmanya Tilak underwent a derailment. Thankfully, however, there has been no incident of any casualty or any major injury as a result of this derailment. The passengers of this train have already been transported and a special rake was arranged for them by NF Railway to transport them to their destinations. Necessary arrangement for food, water and other necessities have already been provided and the passengers have already departed and normal train movement has already been restored. Thank you.